Yo, it's good, it's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, today, man, may nag-send sa atin ng video na to, no? Tinatanong kung napanood na ba natin to or something like that. So, kinlink ko yung link, no? Yung sasinad yung link na yun, the video. And, man, hindi ko pa napapanood. Alam mo yun, sa sobrang dami nating napanood na video ng SB19, man. Hindi ko akalain na meron pa ring mga gantong klaseng video na hindi pa natin napapanood, no? Sobrang dami nilang like guestings or performances na hanggang ngayon ko lang nalalaman, no? But yeah, today we're gonna react to SB19 Play Where You At with fans, okay? Pillow Fight. This is from the channel One Down. Man, I guess this is the Where You At era, no? So, without no further ado, let's get it.
We're in the zone.
Break.
What's up? I'm Pablo.
I'm Stel.
I'm Josh.
I'm Justin.
I'm Ken. And we are
SB19!
Go!
Play.
Where you at?
We will have two people hold a pillow while they're blindfolded, and they will try to find where we're at and hit us with a pillow. So that's. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Ito ba yung parang parang may mga yung iba parang may pamalo, 'di ba? Tapos parang sa isang room lang kayo, tapos yung may pamalo, meron siyang ginawa na rin nila 'to, 'di ba? Sa isang video nila ng ang kalaro nila mga staff nila ng 1Z. Right?
Let's go!
But this time it's fans.
Ay, bawal lumabas dito.
Brian and Ivan. Ang liit ng room, no? Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa kasi gines yung SB19 dito sa One Down, no? Nakaporma sila ng pangmalakasan. Tapos kung aware na ba sila bago sila pumunta dito, no? Pero pumunta sila dito para maglaro ng ganito. Like, look at the drip of Pablo and Ken. Like, come on, man. Oh, tinan mo. Napakaangas, no? Pero di mo alam kung sila ng ganito eh. Sila nagkakataba. Okay. Oh. Mas kawawa yung dalawang fans eh. Kasi sila nagkakatabaan eh.
Where are you most excited to tour, and which city do you wish you could tour?
I would love to perform at Switzerland.
Have you been there?
Never.
We've been there.
Let's go together.
Yeah,
Let's
but
go
only on the
together.
airport. Only on the airport.
Since I really love anime, stroll around Japan and have a concert there. I'm most excited for Singapore because it will be our last leg. So it means that we were able to succeed all those cities.
Angie and Jess. Okay, here we go. Oh, Josh is a sneaky boy. Sneaky boy. Just chilling. Oh. Headshot. Oh. Puro headshot, no?
Nice hit!
What message do you have for your international fans?
We are
Yeah.
very thankful to have you guys. The love and support that you have given us for the past few years.
Thank you for existing. Thank you for
Thank you for
making
existing.
our lives happier than ever.
Thank you for your parents. Gave birth to you.
Yeah.
Everything you're going to do.
Yeah, we love you guys so much, and we hope to see you soon. And let's stick together and ever, forever and ever.
Lawrence and Leo. Oh no. Ulit-ulit pa, no? Ulit-ulit pa. Oh.
1 point.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
Who do you think gets the most nervous before a show?
Communicant. I think everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone's nervous.
Earlier that we did is,
Huddle, yeah.
just to boost our confidence. When the time is ticking, like 3, 2, 1.
Everyone, no? Pero hindi mo pansin, no? Every time nagpa-perform sila, hindi mo pansin na parang sobrang confident nila. Parang hindi sila ninenervyos bago yung performance, no?
Just everything. That's
Since the
doing,
start,
just
actually.
explode.
Not even today, no? Na labas na nag-concert, di ba? Kahit nung una pa lang, no? Kahit hindi pa sila ganun kalaki. Parang feeling mo parang kaya nila mag-perform kahit saan, kahit bago pa lang sila. Ganun yung aura nila pag nasa stage sila eh. Pero again, iba pag nasa backstage, naghihintay pa lang, no? Though makikita yung parang siguro kinakabahan sila, nervyos, no? Sobrang daming tao. Pero once na nag-perform sila sa stage, kahit nung unang-una pa lang, nung bago pa lang sila, kahit get in the zone era pa lang, no? Kala mo kaya lang perform kahit saan eh.
Because when we have a concert, it's not the same audiences in every city. So yeah.
Akala ko Pablo din.
Oh, I got you. One down.
Oh man, I'm dying with cringiness, no? Alam mo yung sobrang confident siya, one down, haha. Couch pala yung tinamaan. Oh yeah, tinamaan na talaga. Okay, that's a hit.
Next year, SB19 will be braver, stronger, and sexier.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's true, no? Si Stel pa talaga nagsabi, no? But it's fucking true. Yung mukha ni Ken dito, sexier?
Not physically, but the music, the sound, you will expect a whole
I doubt it, man. Physically as well. So
lot of different SB19 experience next year. So
tatlo?
Weird.
and SB19 experience next year. So
Grayson, Tessa, Tita Pinky.
Weird.
Nagalit nanay. Bazinga. Mas maraming friendly fire no? Mas maraming friendly fire kasi tinabaan na SB19, no?
don't hit your mom!
alam mo, sobrang dami ng friendly fire eh. Si Stel na nag-worry na, ano ba to? Diba, tala mo, nakahiga si Stel dito, diba? Chilling, man. Sobrang ilang beses tinatabaan, no? Napaupo na si Stel na, what the fuck? Kami pa talaga ang hinahunting nyo o naglalabas na kayo ng sama ng loob? Ano ba talaga? Don't hit your mom.
Don't hit your mom! Don't hit your mom!
Mas madami yung friendly fire.
No, it's okay lang po.
It's an honor to hit you.
A line from your favorite SB19 song.
Would you like to recommend a song?
Hindi, yung favorite nga natin eh. Ang kulit naman na ito eh.
Recommend eh.
Ganito.
Recommend favorite nga
When
eh.
I count to 3, let's sing our favorite song. Okay? Okay?
Oh.
Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Kaya wag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana.
Okay. Gusto ba sila? Mapa?
Muna, ako lang bahala, bis pa sa labis.
Well, I guess,
Yung nagawa.
no, in terms of impact and, yung maka-reach sa dami ng tao, Mapa talaga. I guess, kung sabihin natin na kung virality lang kasi, no? Virality, Gento, no? But to tell you honestly, if we're going to compare Gento sa Mana, sa Mana, no? Sa Mapa, no? I mean, mas mabigat ang ang meaning or mas mas na-reach siya yung damdamin ng mga tao pag yung sa Mapa, no, is sa Gento. Diba? Gento kasi parang Mapa yung takte, no? Mapa kasi is, the feels, man, yung feeling.
Mapa, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara.
Short naman yan to, mga to, no? Ano silang acapella, ano?
Thank you so much, SB19,
Aw,
for playing
that's
Where
it?
You At.
I actually enjoyed that.
Excited
What the hell?
for Los Angeles and even more excited for your Where You At tour.
Thank you so much, One Down, for having us. It was a great experience.
Yeah.
It's our first time playing that.
Sa Balok kayo din ng One Down.
When we
Isang
go
bansa
back
ba
here
sila?
again, maybe you'll be the one getting that.
So we can hit you next time.
We're going to use hollow blocks.
Hello.
But yeah, thank you so much for playing with us also on One Down. It's such an honor. Thank you so much, and we hope we can visit again next year.
Guys, you can check out our social media accounts by searching SB19 Official or Official SB19. And guys, please watch us to our concerts. See you guys.
Thank you so
One
much.
Down, thank you.
Let's go.
Thank
One
you so much, One
down.
Down.
When you hit someone, you should say one down.
Nice. All right. Again, that is SB19 Play. Where you at with fans? No pillow fight. From channel One Down. I enjoyed that so much. No. Nakakatawa na maghahampasan muna sila bago sila magtanungan. No? bago magkaroon ng chance yung mga fans na magtanong sa kanila, maghahampasan muna, lalabasan muna ng sama na loob. But that is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. No? If you want to react to more of SB19, just comment down below. Or if you want to react to your favorite artist, sing a rapper song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it from today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Hey.